In this video, let us learn how to create barcodes in Excel in just few seconds. Welcome back to dptutorials. Generally, the barcode is based on a code that contains number as well as letters, which is alphanumeric. I will explain you this process with 4 examples now. Before we start the process, make sure that the first column is in text format. Now follow these steps. Go to first result cell, that is C5. Type the formula as equals to inverted quotes, open parenthesis, close the inverted quotes, ampersand, select the cell B5, ampersand, inverted quotes, close the parenthesis, and again give the inverted quotes. By doing this, we are just adding the parenthesis at both ends to the code. Drag this formula till the bottom cell in the range. Now select the range in the barcode column and just change the font to ID Automation HC39M free. If you don't have this font installed in your computer, please try to install this now. And you can see the results showing up so quickly. It is very simple and easy, right? And please note that this function is dynamic, enabling you to auto-adjust the barcode based on the source code value. Let's test by changing some values in the source code, and you will observe that it is working fine. So friends, this is all about how to create barcodes in Excel in just few seconds. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials.